Hi there, this is Merle Strom. This is a 4-pack LCL remanufactured toner cartridge replacements for an HP LaserJet CP1025nw Color printer's original toner cartridge 126A in black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Each of these individual boxes has HP's color product number next to the LCLs to show compatibility. To save money, I would like to try this generic compatible brand to see how this compares to the original. This is my HP LaserJet CP1025nw Color. I've had this since 2010. Since then, I have been using the original HP multicolor cartridge replacements. To the far right of the printer is the control panel that has the buttons to access each corresponding color cartridges for removal and replacement. These include the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. This is the yellow, which is the fourth and the last color cartridge to install. When replacing a toner cartridge, always remove the plastic protective tape first. Gently pull the protective tape straight out. If the tape breaks, it may not be pulled out completely. If the tape remains inside the toner cartridge, this may cause poor print quality. Once the tape is off, gently rock the toner cartridge 5 or 6 times to evenly distribute the toner inside the cartridge. To open the print cartridge door, press the print cartridge button one color at a time. Wait until the print cartridge lights stop flashing and the cartridge carousel rotation sound stop before opening the door. To remove the old cartridge, grasp the white handle in the middle and pull it straight out. Insert the replacement cartridge in the open slot and close the print cartridge door. If your 4 cartridges are low on ink, you'll be using the same replacement procedures. To make sure that everything is working properly, I just printed a test page. To those of you who have the same printer model, hope this cartridge replacement demonstration helps. Thanks for watching.